Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video explains how to cancel your Adobe plan step by step. Start by checking which plan type you bought and when you started it. If you cancel within 14 days, you get a full refund of the payment. Monthly plans can be canceled anytime, but typically do not refund prior charges. If you cancel an annual plan after 14 days, you will owe a termination fee equal to 50% of the remaining balance. Keep your account email handy for confirmation details and receipts. Sign in at Adobe.com using the Adobe ID email and current password for the account. Open account, then plans to see active subscriptions and billing details for each plan. Locate the plan you want to end and click Manage Plan to reveal cancellation options and plan limits. Choose Cancel Plan and carefully follow the on-screen cancellation prompts and reason selections. Confirm cancellation when the site asks and expect a confirmation email with the cancellation date and any refund or fee details. After you cancel, Adobe processes refunds back to your original payment method when eligible. Refunds typically appear within a few business days, depending on the bank or card. Remember that annual plans canceled after 14 days incur an early termination fee equal to 50% of the remaining contract balance. Monthly plans canceled after payment rarely qualify for refunds. If you disagree with a charge or need to reactivate, contact Adobe support via chat or phone using the Contact Us link in your account settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.